Alright, so you guys all know that I've been working on getting better at videos. So what I started off with was my cell phone and my hand, just holding it out like this. Then I got myself a selfie stick, so then that way I could put my cell phone on that in video. And now I'm slowly starting to use my camera, and what I started to do was use my camera on my tripod and just talk to it. And now what I'm doing, you ready for this? You ready for what I did? Oh yes! You have no idea how super excited I am for this. So this is the Ronin-s DJI. So what it is, it's the gimbal, and it's going to help me create some really smooth video. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to do an unboxing with this one and then kind of chat with you guys about my game plan for videos. Alright, so this thing is a beast. It is huge. Here's your box. It was on a back order. I had to wait a few months for it, and yeah, I'm just super excited that it finally came in. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, this is massive. This thing is a beast, and talk about a super cool carrying case. So it actually locks, which is, I mean, how crazy is that? Let's see. There it is. That's pretty much unboxing the whole thing. It's in that massive case. So my whole plan is to start getting really a lot better at videography. So I've been watching a lot of videos on it. As you guys know, in my last, not my last video, but the one before, the one with the sunflowers, I'll link it here. That one, I learned how to do slow motion video, which, oh, so excited about. And then now with this gimbal, I'm going to be able to create some really nice smooth videos. So my whole goal with this channel is to really just help you guys out by providing tips, tricks, and how-tos, to share some behind the scenes and how I got the shot. I learn from other people, and I learn from seeing things rather than just reading them, and so that's what I really love about videos, and being able to show you guys what exactly I'm doing, talk to you guys about it, rather than you guys just reading a blog post and trying to go from there. So my goal is to do that while providing you with really good videos. So that's the reason why I got this gimbal, was to provide good videos, good content, really pretty content, something that's going to be entertaining and nice and fun to watch, and then also be providing good information and helpful information to help get better at photography. And so that's my whole reason behind this whole thing. Obviously this video wasn't really just about unboxing the gimbal. I wanted to chat with you guys about my plans, my master plans, and I just hope that I'm being able to help someone learn a little bit more about photography and really help them go towards their goals. But that's the idea about my channel, And the idea about this gimbal is to just really be able to provide some nice, pretty content, pretty videos while providing good information and something that's really going to help people learn. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a big old thumbs up if you guys liked it, and it really does support my channel. And then subscribe if you want to see more from me. I do tips, tricks, and how-tos, behind the scenes and how I got the shot for photography. And yeah, leave me a comment down below if you guys want to chat or if you have any questions. And be prepared for some cool videos and a lot of bumps along the way as I learn how to use this gimbal. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in my next video.